Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to use one of these little TikTok short YouTube videos. Lights. So first, what you're going to do is going to come with a light. It's going to come with these. This is where you're going to hold your phone. If you have a tablet you want to do it with, you can use that for. So, I'm going to show you everything it comes with. It comes with the light itself. It comes with this camera button. You press it after you connect it to this, and it will take pictures for you. And then you have this, the music, the on button, the modes, and the stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to be using an anchor block for this. So let's get ready to plug this in. Okay, all right, now we just have to turn it on. Boom. Okay, so now that it's on, I'm going to change it different modes. Okay, so here's a really light mode. You're going to hit the mode button in the middle. Doesn't that look actually really cool? And then you can do like little TikTok dances with it. You know, a bunch of different modes with it. And my favorite part about it is just how cool it is. So, yeah, this is my light, and I'm gonna play some music. Well, I think the block just died. Ah, there we go. I accidentally pressed off. Yep. Alright, isn't that really cool, guys? So tune in for more on Greg Cowart. Alright, bye.